Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last video, we have learned how to create such kind of hyperlinking with the help of link component like that, home, product, service, how we can make like this. And we left the video on a problem that here we are able to show active link, but here active link is not coming. So how we can set a link as a active, we are going to learn. For that we have to do two things. First thing, we have to convert this component as a client component. So I say use client, because all the hooks by default execute on client side. So we are going to use here hook use path. So we say import, we say use path from navigation like this. So this use path is a hook, and that's why it's used on client side. And if I say in another terms, I can say that it's a part of React. So React always execute on client side. That's why we are converting this as a client component. Now we have to use this. So we have to create an object of this. So I say path equal to use path name. Remember that this use path hook always return the current active link path. For example, if I click on service, you see that we have a path this service. So use path show this link. If I click on product, active path is this. So use path show this link. So I can match that. If I click with the help of this path, I can check here that if I click on any particular link inside this map function, I say here const is active. I can check here active, that if I say here that my item dot link equal to and I say that is equal to path. You see, we can put like this. If link is equal to path, that means we have a true here. If we have a true here, so I can check here. So I put here like this class name, and here I check that is active. If it is active, then do like this. If it is active, then do like this. Every time we need this. Now remember that we have to put here color. If it is active, so I say here font should be bold like this. Then I say the color of this should be, so I say text, and here I say color. I can check red color here. So I say this should be red color like this. And otherwise I don't want to set anything. I just put like this. So this active link is done. Now you go there and you see that product is coming in red color. You see, if I click on service, service is coming in red color. If I click on home, home is coming in red color. You see that with the help of use path hook, I am able to find out the active link, and just by checking that if my link which I am opening is equal to this, then this is true. If it is true, then set the property. One more thing we can do in this, we can also say that if link dot start with this path. Remember that both are equivalent thing, because this function is also going to return true on the basis of this. If we are starting a path with this, then it is also active. So both are same thing. Refresh it, but it is not working here. You see that it is not working here on home, because home is starting with the slash and everything come under slash. So that's why it is not working on home. You see, this is not a feasible way. This is the feasible way which I am explaining you. This is the best way. So that is not working. Start with is not working perfectly. Why? Because all the path start from root and home is also on root. That's why it come under all. So this is working perfectly, no problem at all. So you can use like this. This is the best way to use. This is all about in this video. If you learned something, if you got some knowledge from this video, please help me to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this.